What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Dave. I don't even know how many days of quarantine. We're just here in the garage again still. Haven't moved, but to go to sleep and eat, shower. That's about it. And watching some Chicago PD on here. But today's vlog, oh, one more thing. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. Also, I don't know why, and it's very common, but I've had a couple of you guys ask me, Eddie, how do you feel these damn generators without spilling fuel? You know, it's very simple, guys. So buy one of these things off of Amazon. It's really easy. This is a 5-gallon gas can, and all you do is I think it was like 50 bucks or something. You take this little chingus out right here, put this in your gas can. You can clip it. It's got a sensor. It'll stop automatically for you. Put 4 AA batteries in it, and push on, and that's it. Pump the gas out, and you're done. It's nice. It's pretty cool to have. If you guys want this stuff, I'll put the link down in the description for you. But today's video, I'm going to try to fix that water thing. A lot of you guys sent me to that website, Sea Level. I think it's pretty badass and pretty easy. It was just that green, look like a sticker you just stick on, run the 2 wires up, and that's it. So I'll probably go with that. But what I do want to try first is switching out the wires, playing with it for a little bit. Why? Well, because I got a lot of time. And I want to see if it does work, but I do know those things aren't accurate, they suck. But it'd be nice just to see from full to, you know, 3/4 to half to empty, because what sucked out in the desert, and the one main reason why we had to come back was because I told the wife, hey, I think I told the wife, no, we're good on water, we're full, you know, we can stay out here until Wednesday. So she's doing dishes, and then all of a sudden she's like, hey, I'm getting no water. I'm like, what? I checked the water and it says 3/4. I'm like, no, we're good. Well, we didn't. We were empty. So that's the main reason is, you know, we didn't preserve the water because I kept checking it, kept thinking I was full. After like the 7th shower we took, I'm like, all right, something's wrong now. Something's going on. So we're going to try to fix that today. And then I'll let you guys in on a little story time. If you're interested, you can stay till towards the end of the video. Right now we're going to head out to the trailer. Oh, and I did some to the trailer too. Let's get out and show you guys, see if you notice. And I've wiped my rammer down for like the 48th time because I'm just so bored, guys. But let's go see on the toy hauler here if you guys notice a difference. Bam! What do you think, guys? Can you see the difference? Anybody? I'll give you a second here. Come on. Come on. Here, I'll walk up closer to it. Any difference? No? You can't tell? Any difference? Look at that. Yes. I took the stupid windows off the stick. I took the windows off the sticker. Wow. See, guys, quarantine's got me losing my mind. I took these stickers off the window. Why? Because, well, they're stupid. You look out the window and there's just stickers all over. I don't know why they put stickers on the damn window. Stickers are not supposed to go on a window unless it says YouTube Eddie's Life. That's it. But other than that, I think, guys, looks way better without the stickers. And yes, I did the other side also. But now we're going to head under here. Got my handy dandy creeper here. Gonna head under here and see these sensors. See if I can switch them out. See if it's easy, and see if that fixes the problem for you guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back under the water tank here. So somebody told me, oh, Eddie, it's the 2 middle ones. I forgot his name, but I'm gonna look it up. He said put this one up there, and then put that one back over here. We're going to try it. We're going to see what that does. Put some water because it's dead empty now. See what it is. Look at this. This is like so tight. Why wouldn't they wrap this like above this? We're going to reroute that. Jeez, man. I got to stop looking under this thing. And every time I look under these things, I get nervous and I keep finding problems. Oh, boy. All right, there we go, guys. Switch that. Put this wire here so it's not so tight. Ran it up above so there's not so much tank slack. So switch this. Put the yellow that was there. Put it down here. And put the green that was here up there. And, well, let's see what happens. Then we'll pull the back of the panel out. We'll just diagnose this, and hopefully I can come up with a fix for you guys. But I'll probably end up going with that Sea Level patch that you put on there. Also, I noticed, guys, there's only sensors on one tank. There is none on the second tank over there. So, you know, I don't know if that's a problem, but probably not. I believe it only reads this tank. So let's go, I guess, put some water in and see what happens. Alright, first things first, guys. Damn, it's cold out here. But we're going to, oh, actually, real quick, before I get into this, people, well, let me turn some lights on here. People with these toy haulers, guys, where the hell is the water pump? That's what I'm looking for. It sounds like it's under here, but I opened this up and there is no water pump in there. I look under, can't even find it in there. Please don't tell me it's in the tank. I don't think it is, but, or is there like a secret compartment maybe. I don't know if this has to, I don't know if there's screws. I hope I don't have to lift, take this whole thing out, but I'm thinking if I have to, because the reason why I ask is I like to, when I purchase a toy hauler, buy an extra water pump just in case the one that I have fails, God forbid it fails. So I like to have an extra. I would like to purchase an extra water pump. Let me know if I gotta pull that off, I'll pull it off, but at least I will have an extra one. And I want to get a little quieter one because this thing's like, it's so loud, these water pumps. And I've heard, I think, Lippert, I think it was, made a nice quiet pump. So first things first, we're going to check the water level. And man, I wish they made these things a little shorter. Someone like me, I need a little boost up here. Some of you guys perfect, but for me, I'd say my arm's stretched out. I'm maxed out over here. Fresh, okay, so fresh water, we are empty. So let's go put, I'd say 20 gallons, and we should be getting maybe a fair reading. I don't know. I'll put 50 gallons maybe, and we should be getting something. So let's see what happens when we go from there. If just by switching those wires that fixed it or not. Let me get my handy dandy water Chingus tool out over here. This is where I keep everything. Here it is. Bam, right there. All right. We're filling up here. Now we just wait. Okay, so check this out. I just checked it. Now it says fair. So fair is pretty damn low because there's only I think 3 gallons in this thing. Did we even put 3 gallons in it? Let's see. It says fair. Not even. 2.6, and it's showing fair. So the fair never really worked. Now, I mean, I don't know. Let's keep pumping and see what it says. I guess we'll see how much water goes in before the fair mark is actually, goes up, I should say. So fresh, still on fair. So let's see what happens there. Before you guys tell me, I told you shouldn't have bought an Attitude. You shouldn't have bought an Attitude. Guys, I looked at so many. The Genesis, the Iconics, the what's the other one? The Momentums. They were all like built the same. When you walk in, you look, it was like the same thing, same quality. It wasn't, some were a little better than others, but I mean, it's like, oh, okay, this is a better quality, but they want to charge you $20,000 more. It's like, what? So they were all built by like the same, or the parts were like the same. You can tell when you walk in, they're very, very similar. They all had some Dometic fridges, or they had Norcold fridges. All the appliances, looked identical. All the cheap looking stuff, like the nails, the screws that you see, they were all the same thing. They all had similar things to all of these trailers. So I mean, I think, guys, it's just, that's it. That's how these things are made right now. It sucks, but unfortunately, this is what's going on right now. And I mean, we're buying them, we need them, but I will say it's just little things, nothing major has gone on. Does it suck? Yes, but this is, guys, 10 times better than my Weekend Warrior. I mean, I'll give it that. My Weekend Warrior, the thing was just falling apart. I had holes in it, a hole right there. The roof started leaking, which is, of course, it's all maintenance stuff, which I fixed the roof. Of course, when it leaked, I fixed it. But, it didn't have, like, a nice slide. Didn't have, I mean, look at this TV. I mean, it's a big mamma jamma right there. And then you got another TV there. You got TV up front. I got more storage. It's just cleaner. My wife really wanted a kitchen island, so she got her island. I mean, it's just more modern, guys. I mean, the bathroom was the best thing, dude. The bathroom, my Weekend Warrior. Oh, the Solar. I love this Solar. But the bathroom in the Weekend Warrior, I literally had to, take my business with the door open because I couldn't even, sit. And I'm not even a big guy, but I couldn't even sit down. It was just so rough. Look at this bathroom. I mean, this is just, it's 10 times better than the Weekend Warrior still. I got to give it to that. And if this does work, guys, by just switching those 2 wires, well, I will big shout out to a specific person. I'm not going to shout you out yet, man, because I don't know if it worked yet. But I promise you, because you're the first, and you were, I believe, there were some other people that told me that, but you were the first that said, Eddie, I had the same problem. Take those 2 wires, just flip them, and you'll see it'll work. So we're going to see. It's still pumping now, and it's still on fair. So let's see how much water this fair has given us. And yeah, guys, this is gonna be the fun part. I gotta take the glue still off the window, but that's easy. I got some stuff to pull the glue right off. But let's see here. We are at And if you guys with the attitude want to know when it goes up from fair, 8 gallons right now, and we're still at fair. So let's see, or let's just let it keep pumping. And yes, guys, story time will be at the end of the video. Today's story is going to be out today's story will be about when I took Pops's Dodge Ram, or yes, it was Dodge back then. When I took his Dodge 1500 though, it wasn't a diesel, it was a gasser. And I took it, well, and I had some fun for it. If you want to know what happened, and yes, I did get caught, stay tuned for the end of the video when story time starts. Okay, man, still at fair, and I think we've put 50 gallons. Let's see. Oh, and I gotta slow it down because it's gonna start coming out. Yeah, do you guys have this issue too? Or just starts puking out of here? We've put, oh no, almost 30 gallons. So 27. Let me know, guys. Is there a fix for this too? I mean, it's ridiculous. It's like I don't know, can't keep up or something. You gotta go like really slow. Look at this. Damn thing's pretty much off. If I go fast, really pump, it'll start coming out. But I mean, you can see how much faster this goes right here. But I don't know if this thing can handle it. It keeps puking water out of here. Just while I'm in here waiting, won't hurt to put on a little Chicago PD. You guys want to know what it looks like back here? There you go. Bunch of colors all over. The wires and holes. That's about it. But here's the your panel, the back of the panel. So it looks like it's just a circuit board. You got some wires coming to it. I don't know much about this. We're not going to touch this, but when I check it, so watch, it says full, right? Then it drops, it flashes. Drops, flashes. Now, if I let go, or hold it, see, it doesn't go to full. So, I don't know if we're at 75 gallons. I don't know if that's technically 2/3, 1/3, but I don't know. I'm going to put a little more. I'm going to put 100 gallons in it, and I'm going to see if it takes me up to the full mark. So, it went away. So, if you wait a little bit, for some reason, this is weird. Wait, hit the fresh button, it'll say full. But then, you know, hit it a couple times, then it doesn't show full, it goes to 2/3. Good. So, it looks like, guys, this system is a piece of crap. I'm going to just get the sea level. I'll probably just mount it right here because this thing is just so inaccurate. I mean, it's at like 84 gallons, 85 gallons. So, you know, I mean, that's kind of annoying. It'd be nice to know actually how much water you have, especially out in the desert. Sometimes, like, we stay out there for 2 weeks, you know, so it'd be nice to see accurately how much water you have. Let's see if it does it. So I hit fresh. See, it shows full. Now watch, let go. Let go, like, now it shows good. See that? Now it doesn't show full. So I'm gonna fill it and see when it actually says full and go from there. So as soon as this thing hit 108 gallons, it gave me the full indication. Okay, so we drained it and we're getting a fair, at least. I mean, again, it's not accurate, but at least we have a fair. I will give it to that person that let me know switch the wires. At least they gave me the fair. So I got to give a shout out to Speedy, I believe it is SPDEE31. You're right, man. Switching the wires actually finally gave me the fair logo on there, so that was the problem. So shout out to Speedy31, guys. He was the one that told me to switch the wires, but I still want to go with the sea level. So now that we got this handled, it's story time. Alright, guys, you ready for story time number 2? So, I'm going to fix the camera over here a little bit. So, story time number 2 is when we took Pops's Ram, or Dodge at the time, 1500. This is when the quad cab came out. So there's no 4-door, it was the quad cab, which was like badass. It was like suicide doors in the back. It was like, whoa, it was a pretty big deal. So, Pops, they were going out of town. I think I was 14 at the time, 15. All this happened, a lot of the stories before my license, because I didn't have a car. When I got a car, man, it got worse. But they were going out of town. Pops bought this brand new truck. It was a 5.9 liter. It was the V8. It's a nice truck. It's a nice truck. And I want to take it out. He put some tires on it. He ordered with, like, I don't know, they were not like the street tires, but he ordered with some beefy tires. So I called my neighbor, Ryan. I was like, yo, let's go take this thing out, you know. And my Pops was slick. You know, we had to make sure everything was good, you know, if he chalked the lines. So we're looking, okay, I found it right here, right? I'll let you know what we didn't catch. So We end up taking the truck, joyriding. Then, I don't know why I chose the neighbor's yard, but he had a nice yard. It was all dirt. Decided to go in the neighbor's yard, do some donuts in it with the truck. Truck was just filthy. So we do our donuts, go for our joyrides, you know, go to the store, you know, get some burritos, go eat, grab me like 14 churros, you know, and that's about it. You know, head back home. We thought we were in the clear, but I was like, we gotta clean this thing. You know, you can tell when dirt, you know, tires have been in the dirt and all that. So, end up washing it, right? End up getting, you know, scrubbing it, getting all the dirt out. Well, pulled it back in the garage, you know, put it in like nothing happened. Put the seat where it was. The mileage, I think we took it like not far. I want to say it was like 2 miles. So, and I noticed that the trip meter was reset on the truck. So when I got there, I reset the trip meter. And I guess he did that, you know, in case I took it for a joyride. Wow, who would know? So, ended up doing that, cleaning it up. Perfect. Put it in the garage. Perfect. We didn't even know, right? So, my pops gets home. He's like, hey, do you drive the truck? I'm like, nope. No, I did not, sir. Okay. So he goes and walks. This was the passenger front tire. Walks over, looks at it. Notice that his little piece of fishing string that he put on and held it in with like, I don't know, it's like a little pebble or what, but held the fishing string in with the pebble. So he goes, where's my fishing string? Fishing, I don't know what the hell you're talking about, fishing string, I have no idea. He goes, it was on the top of the tire. And the like name of the tire was now like this way or something, it was off by a little bit. I was like, dude, I don't know what you're talking about. Didn't take the truck. So I'm just sitting here, all of a sudden, BAM! Here we go again. I'm like, damn it. So, long story short, I got caught. I took the truck out, without my parents' permission. So, if any kids out there watching, do not take your parents' trucks out or vehicles out without their permission. Because you're gonna get in trouble. And, I mean, I didn't even think about it. What if I like got in an accident? What if I got pulled over by a cop? I mean, it was dangerous, you know, so guys, if you don't have your license, don't drive. Or if you're 13, 14, don't drive. I mean, if you want to drive around your yard, maybe the neighborhood with your parent, okay, but don't take it for a joyride, guys, without your parents' permission. So that was the story time for today. Now, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. If you're thinking the story time is just crazy and you're loving it or you're hating it or whatever, hit the thumbs up button anyways. And don't forget to turn that bell notification on so you know when the next story time's coming. And thank you guys for watching. And let me know if that water trick help works for you or not. I'm still, like I said, I'm going to get the system, the, what was it called? C something system, where it shows you the actual physical number, because 10 times more accurate. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace. Let's try this again.
Yeah.